Hey, what's up? My name is Norris and I'm here to show you how to tie a bow tie. I know at times it can be a little overwhelming learning how to tie a bow tie, but I'm going to show you very easy, simple steps for you to get through it. Let's get started.
Let's do this, y'all.
Okay, before we get started, we're going to do some prep work. You want to button all the buttons on your shirt all the way up to your neck and pull the collar up. Next is to adjust the bow tie to your neck size. It will not work if your bow tie is too short or too long. Okay, so once you get the correct neck size, we're gonna adjust the bow tie to the correct position. This is my right and this is my left. So I'm gonna slightly pull my right side down just a little bit longer than my left. And you want the top of the bow tie shape on your left to be about 2 inches from your neck. Next step, you wanna take the right side and go over the top of your left and then under and pull tight. Okay, once we pull tight, you want to take your left side and just throw it over your shoulder, and we're going to get back to that soon. So next is we're going to form the front of our bow tie. So take the right side and just pull it up. Take your finger and go behind the fat part of your tie and then hold it there. You should get a folded end and you should get a loose end. Next step is to take the one that we threw over our shoulder and pull it over the top. Now take your two ends and hold them together. This should have created a hole right here in the center. Once you get that, take your left side, the part that's hanging, and from the left to the right, you want to pull the top of it through that hole, like this. Don't pull it all the way through, just enough to get that forward edge out. Okay, so once you pull through and we get to this step, the only thing left to do is to pull and adjust. So you want to take the folded edges, you have one in the front and one in the back, and you want to pull. And then adjust the free edges and do it again. Pull and then adjust. And then pull your collar down. There you have it, a neatly tied bow tie. All right, there you have it. Now you know how to tie your own bow tie now. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my style channel, and I'll see you next time.